everyone, this is Vinny with a quick gold update. I hope you're doing well. So a quick recap, gold was channeling really well. When it's channeling like this, we have to assume that it's going to continue until it breaks. And when I uploaded my previous video, the day I uploaded it, just a few hours later, gold had this massive sell-off. It broke this channel, unfortunately, for the bulls. And this really wasn't a situation where a technical analyst could actually perceive this to happen, because this was news related. This was a lot of fears in the market, which I think it was very exaggerated, where they felt that in September the Federal Reserve was going to QE, and so they just had this massive sell-off. And then basically, if you recall in my previous video, I stated that I don't feel they will taper, and that's exactly what happened. We have this long candle to the upside, and we did not taper, and it just so happens that it stopped right when this candle started. So again, this was quite an exaggerated move on the downside. However, not too long after, we had one of the Federal Board of Governors stated that, well, October they could taper, and down she went. So previous price action here, it's pretty much a lot dealing with news. So it's so volatile at this time. Gold is in this consolidation, maybe a pennant pattern. It may even be a large pennant pattern, depending. So this isn't something that I would want to trade at this time. There's really no point guessing in what direction it's going to go, because it could go in either direction. I would say, bearish trigger here and a bullish trigger there, and call it a day, and let it chop and let it do what it wants. Now, in terms of gold going to low to mid 1400s, now it already went to low 1400s here, but even if gold sells off, even if it breaks this pennant pattern and goes down, as long as it doesn't go below 1275, 1276 region, then I think that it is still has a good shot of going to 1400, and then to maybe mid 1400, and hopefully at that time the 200 moving day average will come down a bit. Now if it goes below 1275, then it is no longer a bull trend. Then everything's suspect. This whole bull run is suspect at that time. But I really do feel that if it does come down, it might come down to maybe 1280s or 1275, and then create a new channel and then go up. So before I even consider it going to mid 1400s, it really needs to pass 1400, and we'll see if it passes this trend line too, which this is how I came up with it. So if it passes here, that would be great, which is mid to upper 1300s, and then I'm looking for it to go to 1400 and then to mid 1400s. So that's only if gold has a support at these levels right here at 1275, 1280. Now, if gold just shoots up from here, then at that time I think the likelihood of gold going to the 1400 region is very high. But if we break and then we go up, then looking for target 1 to be around 1370s, 1380s, then we'll see if it can go into the 1400 region. So that's all I have for today. It's very short. Hopefully you're not trading gold at this time. If you are, be careful, and I would wait for breakout and go from there. All right, that's all I have. Hope all is well. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.